Do you want to know how you can log into your Ideogram AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Ideogram AI account. Go ahead and open any type of browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Ideogram AI. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and you will be headed to the official page of Ideogram. What you need to do is click on your profile, which is over here. If you are already logged in, it's great, but if you want to log in to another account, just go ahead and click log out and you can see this type of interface at the first. Go ahead and click continue with Google. The next step is to select your Google account. After you select your Google account, go ahead and click continue to sign into Ideogram.ai. You must click on this and click continue. Choose your username and click complete registration. And now you can start generating images using Ideogram quite easily. So guys, this is how you log into your Ideogram.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.